Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to add a teenage driver to your Geico auto insurance policy through the Geico mobile app in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first step obviously is going to be to open the Geico mobile app. You can get that from the Play Store or the App Store. If you don't have the Geico app on your mobile device, just go ahead and search and download that. And once you have it, just go ahead and open it up. And then you're going to log into your account using your username and your password. And once you're logged in, just click on policy details, and then just select the policy that you want to add the teenage driver to. And next you're going to click on drivers and then select add driver. The next thing you're going to do is to enter the teenage driver's information, including of course their age, name, date of birth, and driver's license number. Once that's done, you need to select the vehicle that they will drive, and once that's selected, go ahead and save changes. And once that's done, you may need to review and confirm the changes one more time, just to make sure that everything is accurate, and Geico is going to take care of the rest. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add a teenage driver to your Geico auto insurance policy through the Geico mobile app in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.